Hey there, Brad Castle from GreatOptionTradingStrategies.com. I've got something for you today that I really think you're going to like. The opportunity to see some of the actual trades we trade inside the Leverage Investing Club in real time and for free. Now, this might be something you're interested in if you want to see our heads we win, tails Mr. Market loses option selling approach up close and personal, as they say. Heads we win, tails Mr. Market loses means we make money when we're right, duh, but that we also make money when we're wrong because we keep working the trade until we're ahead. Yes, you really can do that when you're a seller of options rather than a buyer of options. And I don't mean great returns when we're right and barely break-even returns when we're wrong. Most of the time, our tails trades still generate very solid or better double-digit annualized returns. In 2025, inside the Leverage Investing Club, we closed 46 official club trades, all of them for profits. And so far in 2026, through the end of April, we've closed another 16 winning trades against 0 book losses. Even better, more than 90% of the trades we closed since the beginning of 2025 generated either double-digit or triple-digit annualized returns. I put links to that trading history down in the description section if you want to check it out. So a couple months back, I introduced what I'm calling Leverage Investing Club Open House Trades, where I let readers of my free daily option tips and insights newsletter get a glimpse of what it's like to be a member of my premium Leverage Investing Club option trading community. So the Daily Tips newsletter is a free companion resource to this channel where, several times a week, I share some of my best option selling insights and resources to non-club members. We routinely dissect real-world trades and cover topics related to finding great trade ideas, how to most effectively manage winning trades, and the big one, how to repair an option selling trade that's gone against you. And now, Daily Tips readers are periodically going to get real-time access to Leverage Investing Club trades. We'll go over what that process looks like, and we'll look at the open house trade we closed a couple weeks back. But if you're interested in this new benefit, you can sign up for the Daily Tips newsletter via the links in the description section. You can sign up directly or by downloading any of the reports, ebooks, or strategy guides from the Great Option Trading Strategies downloadable library page. So how does the Leverage Investing Club open house trade process work? Well, it's pretty simple. Periodically, maybe once or twice a month, I'll share a copy of a trade idea write-up that I post inside the Leverage Investing Club, and I do that most weekends. Then, every time I do something to that trade, enter it, roll or adjust it, or exit it, after posting the move inside the Leverage Investing Club and sending club members a real-time alert, I'll send Daily Tips readers a version as well. And then when the trade has been put to bed and fully exited, I'll compile the original trade write-up, different alerts, any commentary I've also included over the span of the trade, and put together a full PDF case study for Daily Tips readers. In fact, we recently concluded our first open house trade, and it was a success. I actually did a deep dive on the trade in my last video if you want to see the rationale for the trade, what we liked about the trade entry, how we managed the position, and the 3 key insights the trade had for us. You guessed it, there's a link in the description for that video. Now, the trade did misbehave on us a bit, and we did have to extend it a month. But our TROW short put position was still a low drama and no stress affair that generated a very nice 20.06% annualized ROI over 65 days. While you do get to see in advance what your projected returns are when you enter a new put selling trade, assuming everything works out and assuming you hold until expiration, it's rare that we actually allow a winning short put position to expire worthless. There's almost always going to be a point where an early exit is either optimal from a capital efficiency perspective or a prudent move based on near-term technicals. But because of our long-term 98% winning percentage, which is that high again because of our highly effective trade repair process, I often view our trades as very short-dated, super high-yield CDs. The trade-off, however, is that you never entirely know what your final rate or duration will be until the very end. But in this case, with the TRO trade, imagine getting a CD with a 20.06% APY, but the only duration available is a 65-day maturity. Who wouldn't say yes to that? Our winning trades keep piling up. Now, our TRO position was one of the 5 trades we profitably exited during expiration week for the April monthlies. As I said, that brings our 2026 record to 16 winning trades versus 0 book losses. And in 2025, we were 46-0. We did cover the TRO trade here and there in the Daily Tips newsletter over the last couple of months. But as I plan to do with all these open house trades, I put together a full case study in downloadable PDF form for folks to review and have a permanent resource and reference guide. So be sure to check out the full 12-page TRO open house trade case study via the link in the description section. Our next Leverage Investing Club open house trade. At the time I'm putting this video together, I've already got a new put selling trade idea selected for Leverage Investing Club members for next week that I plan to turn into an open house trade and share in real time and for free with daily tips readers. So if you want to be part of that process and have real time access to future open house trades, be sure you're subscribed to the newsletter. Again, sign up below or download anything from the Great Option Trading Strategies website and you'll be good to go. Okay, until next time.